Hey everybody, Casey in the kitchen. I'm going to show you today how I make my very favorite classic hummus in the Deluxe cooking blender. Love this recipe. I've always loved hummus, but this has seriously taken the cake of all the recipes I've ever tried. So we are going to start off adding in our beans. I have 1 can of chickpeas and 1 can of Great Northern beans. I know, right? So I've gone ahead and strained those, all but we have a 1/4 cup of the liquid from the chickpeas that I have reserved that we're going to use for this recipe. You could also do water, chicken broth, anything like that, especially if you are making your own, like in the quick cooker, you're making your own beans. So next we are going to add in some fresh garlic with our garlic press. I'm going to add in a couple of cloves because we love garlic and we like it nice and garlicky. You could do just 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to add 1 more. There we go. Peel is left behind, nice and easy to add that clove of garlic. We're also going to add in the juice of a lemon with our citrus press. And 1 more. I do like the lemony taste, so you could do just half of a lemon too. And then some fresh ground salt and pepper. And that's kind of just to taste, however you like it. All right, so next we're gonna add in some oil. Now you can do all olive oil. I like to use our garlic infused canola oil and olive oil. So 1 and 1, a tablespoon of each, but you need about 2 tablespoons of oil altogether. You could do all of it as the garlic infused canola oil. I find that with the fresh garlic and the 1 tablespoon, it's plenty enough garlic for us. All right, so now we are ready to go ahead and put the lid on, and we are gonna go ahead and put this on the grind setting. We're gonna turn it on the side here. There's a grind setting here, and I'm gonna use the tamper to help kind of mix that in the bottom. It's gonna need a little bit of assistance because it's thicker. I don't wanna add extra liquid because then my hummus gets runny, but I am gonna use the tamper to help with assisting it. So we take off this top cap when we're ready for that. So I'm gonna turn it to grind and start. Hear how it gets a little bit higher pitched. It's a little bit struggling to mix on its own, so I'm going to go ahead and use the tamper. And there we have it. It's all done, all mixed up, nice and smooth and creamy. It is so delicious. We love putting this on chips or veggies, or I use it as like on my wraps. If I'm gonna, instead of a mayonnaise, I'll use hummus. So hope you enjoyed this. This is the Deluxe cooking blender. I use it all day long. Smarty Marty just mixed me up some super healthy and extremely delicious hummus. See you guys later.